Over 250,000 videos have been created using Syllaby, and some users report growing from 10 to 65 subscribers in just one day. But is this AI avatar and faceless video creator really worth your monthly budget? Today I'm breaking down the actual website, showing you how it works and revealing good and bad based only on Syllaby's own claims. Syllaby is an AI-powered platform designed to help businesses and creators produce viral social media videos without needing editing skills. According to the official site, it works in 4 steps: discover trending ideas, generate custom scripts, customize your video using AI avatars or voice clones, and finally schedule the content across platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. There are 3 tiers. The basic plan costs $29 per month and includes 500 monthly credits with an additional one-time bonus of 1,000 credits. The standard plan is $78 per month, offering 1,500 monthly credits plus a 2,000 credit bonus. The premium plan is $153 per month, also providing 1,500 monthly credits and a 2,000 credit bonus. All 3 plans come with a 7-day free trial. Notably, the standard and premium plans show identical credit amounts, so the difference likely lies in features not visible in this screenshot, such as advanced avatar options or higher video quality. Keep in mind, credits do not roll over each month, so unused credits expire at the end of every billing cycle. Thanks for watching and see you later.